Hey everybody. Yep, here we are again. The beavers have been working hard to dam up the culvert again, so I'm back here to clean it out. I have another video showing the damage beaver can do to the land, so I'll put a link at the end of this video if you want to check it out. But today I'll be removing the dam once again with a telephone pole and my John Deere Excavator. If I don't get this cleaned out today, we stand a chance of the road washing out because we have lots of rain headed our way. So here we go. There's so much water down there that I can't really see where the culvert is, so I'm having to guess at it. Just hoping I am able to get lucky and find the opening of the culvert. Looks like I found it. There we go. May have to stir it up a little bit more. Okay, here we are a few hours later, and that was a lot of water. Wow, and it's still coming down pretty good. You can see where it's flowing. And we're supposed to get like 2 or 3 inches of rain tomorrow. But they'll be back, and we'll be back. And that's how you take care of a beaver dam in a culvert. And I appreciate it if y'all could subscribe. It would help out the channel a bunch. And it's free too. Thank y'all for watching.